Hello guys, and welcome back to my source for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So guys, when you set up a new Apple ID, you get this message on your screen and you are unable to install any app from App Store, and you get the message cannot connect to iTunes store. So guys, if you get this message, here is a simple way to fix this problem. So guys, you will have to go back to your home screen and then open settings and then open your profile. So guys, from here you see different options. Tap on media and purchases. You will have to go to media and purchases, and then you will have to tap on view account. So guys, after this, give your password of your account and then tap on review. So guys, after this you will have to agree to the terms, turn it on and then tap on next. So guys, here you will have to give some information about your address: street 1, street 2 and street 3. Give numbers of your streets, give your city name, give your postcode, give here your mobile number. You can give any mobile number if you are not using any mobile. After this, tap on next. So guys, here you see Apple ID is completed. So guys, here you will be able to download any app on App Store. Here you see that I am trying to download any app from here. When you try to download any app, it asks for your password. Give here your password. So guys, here you see that you can now download any app from App Store. You can download any app. So guys, you see that the app is being downloaded on my phone. So guys, thank you for watching this video.